Is there another Motown Tress? Motown Tress. Is there a
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on.
To my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do a lot of surprise uploads. I do mostly wig related content here, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of talking about life, but mostly talking about wigs. And today it's a wig review. I was so fortunate to receive this wig from Motown Tress. Ooh, she's shiny. This is Miss Cardi, and it's part of their Swiss Let's Lace wig line. It says 2-inch deep Swiss lace. The finished length is 25 inches. I love that they put the finished length on there. He's safe up to 400 degrees. I have her in the color that's shown, which is this dark violet. She comes in a lot of different colors down here, and it says it has 2 inches of lace in the front, which is nice, and it's ear-to-ear lace. Anything else we need to know? It says softer lace, ear-to-ear lace, no tape or no glue. I'll put all of the information on where you can purchase this wig and the cost and all that. I did receive this wig from Motown Tress as well, and this is Miss Dutch. I think it's like LDP Dutch, but this is Miss Dutch, and she's in the color brown auburn. There's a review up on my channel for this girl, so go ahead and check that out. I will try to remember to link it below, but I may not. If so, just remind me and then I'll pin it to a comment. But today we're talking about Cardi. Yeah, Cardi. So this is Cardi, and this is that dark violet. It is definitely a dark violet. I've been loving a curly wig. I used to be like straight wig, straight wig, straight wig. But lately I'm into a curly wig. The curls out here feel very thick, but like bouncy and light. Okay. And this is her cap construction, 2 combs set wide in the front. You can see that 2 inches of lace. There are no real like ear tabs, so you could shift this a little bit, which is nice if you needed to. There's no real part, so I don't think you would have to do that. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let's get around and see what we're talking about. Why am I in New York? I don't know. I do feel a little bit of filler fiber in here. I'm not sure if that's to give it a little bit of volume at the top, but let's check it out. Cha-cha. Okay. I have come across this in other Motown Tress wigs. The wig cap like is large, except for the fact that from like here to here, it does not seem large. So that's just something to keep in mind. I feel like maybe I should tighten her. Let me tighten her. Oh yeah, that's definitely better. Alrighty. Okay, now we're more in business. Yeah, you can see there's like a filler fiber there. Alright, let me see what I can do with this girl, and then we will come back with my final thoughts.
Has anybody told you that you're perfect? Has anybody told you that you're worth it? If they haven't, baby, I apologize for them. I apologize for them. Let me know that you got my flowers. Been sitting alone for hours. Somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring your doorbell. Throw a rock at your window, calm down. Just have to say what's on my mind. I was emotional, babe. I was emotional. I did some crazy shit. Yeah, I'm sorry, babe. I was emotional. Cause I can't keep sleeping without you right underneath me. Don't know what it is. I'm checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings. Yeah. Checking the time, you're all in my mind, I'm all in my feelings, yeah. It's probably my fault that I'm unclear, but you gotta tell me right now, babe, what it's gonna be. Cause I ain't gonna waste my time, cause I give my life for you, I'd give my life to you, yeah. Let me know that you got my flowers, been sitting alone for hours, somehow can't get you off my mind. Before you fall asleep, I'ma ring.
Okay, I have Miss Cardi all fixed up. A couple of things. This girl is a lot of hair. This wig is thick, so if you're looking for like a thick curly wig, this is definitely your girl. Curls are fairly tight, but like I said, they're like bouncy. The model has her sort of in the middle. I feel like this wig is the one I have is way more full in volume than on the stock card. Not that that's bad, but I don't know that if you bought it based on the stock card, you would really understand that. I do think it's super pretty. Because of the volume and because of the curls, it is a little bit of a warm wig, so I wouldn't say this is like a summer situation. I sort of set her on the side and just did like, I have natural curly hair normally, and my hair used to be long before I cut it off, so I would do my natural hair sort of like this, so I just did it like I normally would, but she has it in the middle. You have sort of 2 inches of space to like work with, so you could kind of do what you wanted to do. I didn't comb her out too much. I more finger combed her because I wanted to keep the integrity of the curls, because the more you mess with them, the more they're gonna get like, they could get frizzy looking, and I don't want that. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that looks nice from the back. Oh, it doesn't look as full from the back as I thought it might. Overall, I like this wig. It's a little too full for me, but I absolutely love the curls and the bounciness of the curls. I do like that it is sort of a free parting in the front, and that you could do what you personally wanted to do. You know, like I said, I kind of like this whole flip over a little bit situation. That's how I would wear my normal curly hair. That's how I treated it. This color is really pretty. It's a little too dark for my liking, but I do like that you can really see the purple without it being like, I don't know, lavender or something. I think this is a great alternative, like if you're kind of over like the 1Bs or the 2s, or you just want to like mix it up, but you do prefer darker hair, I think this would be a great shade for that. Overall, the wig cap is comfortable. Like I said, it's roomy and breathable, which is good, but I do feel from here to here, I would not consider it a large wig cap. I tightened it pretty tight. I don't necessarily need a large wig cap, so it's fine for me. But like I said, you would have room from here to here, like this way, but you wouldn't have room from here to here. So that's just something to keep in mind. Yeah, other than that, the curls are so pretty. I'm trying to like describe what these curls are like. You know, they're very sort of natural. If you have sort of a tighter curl, a more coarse curl, like that's more how it feels. And I really like that they got that curl right without it being super heavy in terms of weight, but it is thick and it is warm. And yeah, so I would not recommend this wig for a summer wig. I think this would be perfect for fall, perfect for winter. And if you are looking for like a really full curly wig, this is definitely a good option for you. Do you have Miss Cardi? I want to try and do this. Oh yeah. Do you have Miss Cardi? And if so, let me know what you think down below. Is there another Motown Tress wig that you would like me to review? Also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.